Dear students, today we will start with the new section of Unit 4, that is simple interest. So in this section we will see problems on simple interest. First of all, let's see important facts and formulas. So first is, what is principal? The money borrowed or lent out for a certain period is called the principal or the sum. Interest is extra money paid for using others' money is called as the interest. And simple interest is if the interest on a sum borrowed for certain period is reckoned uniformly, means calculated uniformly, then it is called as the simple interest. Okay, so here let the principal is P, that is also called as the sum. The rate is R% per annum, time is Ts. Then we will calculate the SI, that is simple interest, by using the formula PRT upon 100. P is equal to 100 into SI upon R into T. By using this equation we will find out P as well as R and as well as T. Okay, so now we will solve some problems. Find the simple interest on 68,000 at 16 and 2/3% per annum for 9 months. So here rate is 16 and 2/3. So we will convert this mixed fraction into fraction. So fraction is 16 3s are 48 plus 2 50. So it is 50/3. Rate is 50/3% per annum. Time is given in months, so we will have to convert this months into year. So it is 9/12 years, means 3/4 years. So here your principal amount is 68,000, rate is 50 upon 3%, time is 3 upon 4 years. So simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. So it is 68,000, rate is 50 upon 3, time is 3/4 divided by 100, means into 1 upon 100. So your simple interest is rupees 8,500. Second problem, find the simple interest on rupees 3,000 at 6 and 1/4% per annum for the period from 4th Feb 2005 to 18th April 2005. Okay, so this is the period. So here principal amount is 3,000, rate is 6 and 1/4, means rate is 6 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25/4%. Now we will calculate time. So here the time period is given from 4th Feb to 18th April. So the remaining days of Feb is 24. Next month is March. March is having 31 days, and the April 18th, means there are 18 days. Okay, so the time is 37 days here. We will have to convert these days into years. So how we will convert? By dividing that 73 by 365. As we know, 1 year is having 365 days. So it is 1/5 year. Now we will get all the values P as well as R as well as T. So simple interest is equal to 3,000, R is 20/4, 25/4, T is 1/5 into 1 upon 100. So simple interest is rupees 37.50. Next is a sum at simple interest at 13 and 1/2% per annum amounts to rupees 2502.50 after 4 years. Find the sum. Okay, so here we have to find the sum. So let the sum is x, then we will write the equation for simple interest is x into 27/2. This is converted into fraction. 13 2s are 26 plus 1 is 27/2. Time is 4 into 1 upon 100. So it is 26/50. So amount is x plus 27x upon 50, means this is the principal amount and this is the interest, and we will get the total amount here. So it is 77x upon 50. and we have given the amount which is after the interest, so it is 77x upon 50 is equal to 2502.50. So x is equal to 2502.50 into 50 divided by 77, so it is 1625. Hence the sum amount is 1625. Okay. So next problem we will see in the next section. Thank you.